Question number 1. Which assembly was responsible for the creation of the Indian Constitution? Your option A, Lok Sabha, B, Rajya Sabha, C, Constituent Assembly, D, Vedhan Sabha. Correct answer, option number C, Constituent Assembly. Question number 2. Which is the national river of India? Your option A, Yamuna, B, Ganga, C, Brahmaputra, D, Kaveri. Correct answer, option number B, Ganga. Question number 3. Who gave the slogan, "Do or die," in the Indian freedom struggle? Your option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Mahatma Gandhi, C, Subhash Chandra Bose, D, Bhagat Singh. Correct answer, option number B, Mahatma Gandhi.
Question number 4. When is Indian Science Day celebrated? Your option A, 28th February, B, 25th December, C, 15th August, D, 26th January. Correct answer, option number A, 28th February. Question number 5. Which is the largest state in India? Your option A, Maharashtra, B, Uttar Pradesh, C, Madhya Pradesh, D, Rajasthan. Correct answer, option number D, Rajasthan.